In today's video, I'll show you how to install Fluffy Manager 5000 for Resident Evil 2. Check my video description for this Fluffy mod manager. Right click and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Now right click on the Resident Evil 2 and select Open File Location. Drag and drop this extracted folder inside of the game. Once you're done, open this mod manager. Open this mod manager.exe. Scroll down and select the Resident Evil 2 Remake and select choose game folder, choose game install folder, select the game folder and select folder option and select this mod list. Minimize this. Check my video description for this mod list download link. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I choose this Clear Bad Cop dress. Download the mod you like. As you can see, it requires Fluffy Manager 5000. Once the mod download done, select this folder icon and open the Fluffy mod manager. Drag and drop this mod inside. Now refresh mod list. You can able to see clear. Just turn on this mod and select the yes option. And now the mod has been installed. Same way you can install any mods you like. Just minimize this and launch the game. I will show you guys the dress in game. Once you are in game, story, costumes, clear, and you can able to see bad cop costume added. And this way you can install any mod you like. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.